In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give free gifts on Shopify. Offering free gifts is a great way to reward your customers, increase your average order value, and make your store feel more engaging. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up a free gift using Shopify's built-in Buy X Get Y discount, so your customers automatically receive a gift when they meet the conditions you choose. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the menu and click on Discounts. This page shows you any discounts you've already created. To set up a new one, go to the top right corner of this page and click Create Discount. A pop-up will appear asking what kind of discount you want to create. From the options, select Buy X Get Y. This is the type of discount that lets you give a free item when a customer buys something else. You'll now be taken to the discount editor. Under the Method section, choose Automatic Discount. This ensures that the offer applies automatically at checkout, without the customer needing to type in a code. Next, add a clear and simple title to your discount so you can easily recognize it later in your list of discounts. In the Customer Buy section, decide how the discount should be triggered. You can choose between a minimum quantity of items or a minimum purchase amount. For example, you might require at least 3 items in the cart, or a total spend above a certain amount. Set the exact number or amount you want. Then choose whether this applies to specific products or specific collections, and select the products that will qualify. You'll also see a purchase type setting. Here you can decide if this applies to one-time purchases, subscriptions, or both, depending on how your store is set up. Next, move to the Customer Get section. Enter the quantity of the free items you want to give, then decide again whether they come from specific products or specific collections. Select the items that will be given as the free gift. Under At a Discounted Value, select Free. This is what turns the Get Y part into a free gift instead of just a discount. If you'd like, you can set a maximum number of uses per order, so customers don't receive unlimited gifts in a single purchase. Then set who is eligible. All customers, specific customer segments, or specific customers only. You can also choose whether this free gift discount can be combined with other discounts, like product, order, or shipping discounts. Finally, set the start date, and if needed, an end date for the promotion. When everything looks good, scroll to the bottom right, or look at the top near the search bar and click Save. Your free gift offer is now active and ready for your customers to enjoy.